Hey guys, what's going on? Um, Thank you for tuning in with me today. My name is Rick Charles. I'm with LEY Capital, but you know what I mean. And today I wanted to talk about, you know, things that can get your loan rejected. I'm gonna pinpoint the conversation down to three things. All right, things that can get your loan rejected. All right, so before I get wild and crazy, I want you to just hit the subscribe button because I'm sharing the information with you guys that's gonna drive you up to the promised lands when it comes to these commercial loans. So, what I want to talk to you guys about is things that can get your loan killed. Okay, it doesn't matter what lender you go to. All right, if you come to me, obviously I'm gonna tell you you can't do that, and I'll probably send you on your way. But these things will have you pretty much not close your deal and not get paid. And the reason why you do deals is because you want to make sure you get paid. If you don't do that, then we're just blowing wind in the air. Anyhow, so things that'll make your deal not get paid. So number one, so the first thing, and I'm anytime you hear a conversation from me, I'm always talking from the standpoint of a full transaction. Okay? So number one, your income on your tax returns reflecting you made a negative. So if you get a business tax return, you made $1 million, but it says you have negative 200,000 after everything is said and done, you're not gonna get a loan. Don't even give the broker that paperwork. Don't even go that route. You're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it. Why? You're negative. Your business is not making money. We don't care if it shows you made $1 million, but after everything is said and done, you lost two. You're down 200,000. So you're not gonna get it. So if the business is not making some sort of profit, I don't care if the business is making $5,000 in profit at the end of the year. That's better than negative. Okay? So anytime you do get your taxes done for your business and you know you're buying a commercial property, whatever you do, don't show your income as negative. All right? A lot of people always make they always ponder that, well, the IRS is not going to kill me as much. The IRS is going to kill you regardless of what you do. Okay? And then when you show negative, you show your business is at risk and you're always reporting negative, close the business. It's not worth it. Close the business. Okay? It's always better to always show money, but if you're in business to win, do your taxes correctly. That's number one. Okay? So remember, tax returns can kill a deal quickly. All right? Most of the time, I'll probably say, all right, we're not using the tax returns. We're not going to do that because you lost 200,000. But if we go through the bank statements and it's still showing you're losing a lot of money, you're probably not going to get a deal done. All right? Because you got to keep in mind when you're purchasing any kind of property, you're going to have down payment. You're going to have closing costs. These things are all going to be in there: taxes, insurance, all that good stuff, appraisal. All that good stuff's going to be involved. And if you don't have the money to coordinate and cater to that, how are they going to close the loan? So you have to have money in the bank account. All right, whether it's the business, whether it's your personal, you have to have money. And that's the same thing goes for a residential transaction. If you don't have money, forget about it. Forget about it. But at the same time, if the bank statements aren't where they need to be, they're not going to give you a loan. It doesn't matter what you try. So if your taxes don't make sense, your bank statements don't make sense, they're not going to give you a loan. So if those are in line, you're in a good place to apply for a loan. If they aren't in line, we got to get them in line first. All right. If it's an 1120S, 1120, they have to be in line. A lot of people don't realize how important your tax returns are. They can do a lot of things, and if you sit there and you keep constantly reporting, you're not making any money. You're not making any money, thinking you're gonna avoid Uncle Sam by not paying any taxes. You got another thing coming for you, because Uncle Sam may not get you this year. He may not get you this year, but he is gonna get you. When that money show up, he is gonna get you. So don't think you're doing yourself any justice by showing you're losing money. You're actually hurting the business, because you have to keep in mind your tax returns are always needed for a lot of other things, not just the property. So if you want to get money for your business, you want to do certain things, your tax returns are probably going to be asked for. Okay? So number three, okay? A lot of people don't realize this, okay? Having your corporation in the correct registry and having it registered correctly. A lot of times, I've seen a lot of people think they want to buy a property under their business, and when you go look at the corporation paperwork, they're not even on the corporation and whatnot. They don't have their operating agreement executed and whatnot. So that can kill your loan. So the tax returns, the bank statements, your corporation can kill your loan. Now, the good thing about the corporation is it can be fixed. All right. So if you're dealing with a broker or a loan representative, and he looks and he's like, your corporation it's not right. You know what I mean? Work with them, get the thing situated. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you can actually benefit. You know what I mean? You can benefit. They'll get your corporation situated, and then everything is looking correct. Now, if you have a corporation and you haven't done anything with it, and God knows how long, you need to get that checked out, inspected, and reviewed. Your corporation plays a major part, and if your corporation is not correct, you're going to be in trouble. You're going to be in a lot of trouble. So those three things are things that can stop you from getting a loan. Once again, my name is Rick Charles. I'm with LEY Capital, and below, if you haven't, take a moment to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much.